Hey, it's Joanne with BroadcastSunny. I'm doing this for my creative writing study group on Facebook. If you would like to join, check out the link in the description box of this video. So I'm trying to encourage some of them to join NaNoWriMo. NaNoWriMo is National Novel Writing Month, which is the month of November. It's about writing 50,000 words in 30 days. That's 1,667 words a day. So my first year doing it, I hit it consistently, plus or minus 100 words. But if you look at my progress line, it's straight up. But after that, I was very variable. I'm hoping to be more consistent again this year. It is a challenge and you may not reach it, and most people don't. However, if you fail at 30,000 words, you still got 30,000 words of a novel. That's fantastic. Bestsellers have come out of NaNoWriMo. Wool, Fangirl, which I think is coming out as a movie. The Night Circus, both of my girls loved that book. One of them liked Fangirl. The Forest of Hands and Feet. And there are others. Just type in your search engine, books from NaNoWriMo or bestsellers from NaNoWriMo, and you'll see a list of them. So for this week, this first in the series, I recommend that you go on NaNoWriMo.org and check it out. And if you have done NaNoWriMo in the past, then still check it out, because this year, 2019, they have changed quite a bit in it. Even I have to go through it and check it out and see if you like it, see if it's something that you want to do. And if you do want to do and you need a buddy, I'm BroadcastSunny, surprise, and I'll buddy with you. Just ask me. I go on it in the month of November. I go on it pretty much every day, although I cannot spend too much time on the email. They send you so much email during that month, but it's supposed to be inspiration. It's like, but I'm busy writing. Anyway, you can buddy me and you can see my progress throughout the month, and I will see yours. And then also for this month, decide on what kind of story, what genre you want to write in, which I'm guessing you already know, and get a general plot line of what you want. And during the month of October, I will make videos of tips and tricks of what you can do to help prepare for NaNoWriMo, so you have enough to write about. Because on the third week, I find most nanites is what we call them in Northern Virginia. Most nanites hit a wall. They're like, I used up all my words. I don't know what to do. I used up all my plot lines. So yeah, I'm hoping to help. I hope to help with that. If you want to share that synopsis, please put it in the comments below. If you would like to share what your buddy name is on the NaNoWriMo site, again, put it below, and maybe each of us can buddy up with each other. And that's it. I'm very excited. It's like, nano. Get ready to have all that junk food. I'm very excited. But yeah, Nano is fun. And it's oddly fun because when I first started it, I thought, why would I write with other people we're writing? That doesn't make sense. But you will be very surprised at how writing with other people really inspire you and push you to write as well. So yes, it's a fun month. And for you on BroadcastSunny, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.